What is up, guys? Today is September 11th, Thursday, 2025. And today I did not take any trades, but I still want to review the day. This is like my third time recording this because my microphone wasn't off. So today was CPI. Right, the CPI candle news came lower, swept out London lows, swept out accumulation Asia lows, manipulated into this 15-minute fair value gap. So what am I expecting? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. All right. So going into the morning, what happened here? Right. After that manipulation, we traded higher. We created this 5-minute fair value gap, another 5-minute fair value gap here. Unfortunately, did not create a 15-minute condition. That would have been good. However, the bias is still bullish because of these data highs. So what was I looking at here? At open, 9:30, we trade higher, accumulate a little bit, distribute lower, and we trade into this 5-minute fair value gap that is at a discount of this range, right? It's also like almost an OTE, right? I don't really look at OTE too much, but it's just something I've noticed right now. And what I wanted to trade was this 1-minute inversion fair value gap. All right, on our move down, we created a 5-minute. This would have been a nice mech model, being in the 5-minute fair value gap, right? The 9:45 candle opened right here, right? Manipulated to this low, turtle souping it, and then I wanted to see like a 1-minute fair value gap open up, inversion open up, and then we trade higher. Right, unfortunately, though, what happened is that the 1-minute got absolutely ran through, and it actually traded into the 5-minute already. Ideally, if we had gotten a close just above here, this would have been really ideal for me. You can even put on the consequent encroachment of the wick because it's not an SMT. Really ideal because you could have gotten your 1-to-1 in almost 2 minutes. Like right here, this would have been the trade. Right, even if we had closed somewhere like just right here. Could have gotten a 1-to-1 easy and held some runners up to this high right here, which would have been, a real solid, easy play. But due to the mechanics of the model and the rules, right, if you trade into a 5-minute fair value gap from a 1-minute inversion, the probability of this playing out is a lot less. But the re-entry that you could have taken, or the new entry that you could have taken, is the inversion of this 5-minute, right? Probably something looking like this, and this, due to RR reasons, you probably have to hold this to data highs. But the reason I didn't take this is because at the time of when we inverted this 5-minute right here, ES had already taken data highs. So this red line is the data high, right, creating a bearish SMT at my draw on liquidity. And we are at all-time highs, so the draw on liquidity, I guess, is just bullish. It could go as high as it wants. But just, for me today, I feel like this is just, it just feels a little bit low probability, especially with what I'm thinking about on the daily candle and on the weekly candle. It's like, I didn't want to take this. So I decided to fade that move. And after that SMT, the day was pretty much over. We kind of just chopped around for the longest bit, and now we're finally getting some distribution higher. But yeah, that was the setup I was looking at, and that was pretty much the trading day for me. I feel like after this SMT right here got hit, price action didn't do much at all. But yeah, I'm trying to keep this one short. So that'll be it from me today. Hopefully tomorrow we get some opportunities, and yeah, just gotta stick to our rules, follow our rules, and stay disciplined. Catch you guys tomorrow.